What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils.
I can tell you got something on your mind.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve Cuban twists over my Micro Locs. As you guys may have seen in my previous Cuban twist video, I used the Equal Cuban twist hair, and I will be using the same kind of hair in the number 2 and in the number 4. I will be using the 24-inch Cuban twist braid. My very first time trying this style out on Micro Locs, so I'm kind of excited yet a little nervous to see how this is going to turn out. If you're watching this video, it is possibly 2020, so I just want to wish you guys a happy new year, and I'm so excited for what this year has in store. And it's going to be an amazing year. I already know it. So if you have not subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and tap that notification bell so that you are always alerted when I post a new video. Be looking out for my posting schedule. I am working on my posting schedule and I will alert you guys on that in my next video. But be looking out because I might add it on my channel art. So just keep your eyes peeled for my posting schedule. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so as you can see, I've already completed most of my hair. I just have this front section here to complete, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I installed my Cuban twist with this top section here. Before I do though, I wanna show you what my hair is looking like.
You got something on your mind, but you're so quiet. Only so long I read between the lines when you're so silent.
When installing Cuban twists with Micro Locs, it's not really challenging. All you have to do is go along with the partings of your Micro Locs and then take like chunks and sections and twist with those sections. So let me go ahead and show you. As you guys can see, I have this nice neat line here and I have a nice line down here in the back. So I'm going to take about maybe three rows, and I'm looking into my viewfinder. So if you see me looking off, that's why. And sometimes the parts will not be exact, and that's okay. But just try to find as neat of a part as possible. As you guys may or may not know, I installed my Micro Locs myself. Go ahead and check out my installation video right up here. I'm going to put it here for you to see. But yeah, so I'm really trying to define the part, making sure that I have a big enough section. It's neat enough. So I'm going to go ahead and take a scrunchie. As you guys know, in one of my videos, I showed you guys that I only use these big scrunchies because I don't want any of my Micro Locs getting stuck in one of the ponytail holders. So now that I have my section isolated, I'm going to go ahead and part off for my first twist. So I use sections about this size, and there's one random lock that I'm not really sure where to put it. Maybe I'll put it in the next one. So yeah, this is the hair that I'm going to use for my first twist, and actually I'm going to make it not so long. There we go. That's right. So now this is the last row that I'm going to take this way. Then the rest of this hair will lay this way. So I'm going to go ahead and take one piece of Cuban twist hair. And just like in my previous Cuban twist video, I'm going to take this end here and separate it before I start so that when I get to the end, it doesn't unravel. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to take this hair here, separate it into two. Then I'm going to place the hair. One of the pieces is connected with this one piece of hair, and then the other is connected with the other. Then I'm just going to start to twist. Going to wrap that around. Not too tight at all, because remember, this is not loose hair, this is micro lock hair, so you do not want tension. If you feel tension, then you are twisting too tight. So now with these pieces here, I'm going to take my Cuban twist hair and I'm going to just kind of wrap it around my micro locks, and this is going to really help to conceal the locks as I'm twisting down. Now they will not be completely concealed, but because my hair is a different color, but it will help. So once you have it concealed, then you can go ahead and continue to twist all the way down, making sure that you don't see the ends of the micro locks as you twist down. But as you can see, it's starting to look just like a twist and not like micro locks. There's one little piece here, but you will notice like all of your twists will have, you know, areas where you can see the twist a little bit.
You can tell I want for nothing than to have the one I love reciprocate the love I'm giving to you. To you. And I don't want to leave, but are you forcing me? I wear emotions on my sleeve, and you just make it so hard. You're the reason I'm crazy.
Okay, so now I just have this one section left. As you can see, the parting is not perfect, but it will do. So I will come back when I'm finished with this section.
You just make it so hard. You're the reason I'm crazy. You are, you're the reason I'm crazy. Yeah. You're the reason I'm crazy. Yeah. You're the reason I'm crazy. You
That's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was helpful in some way. If you enjoyed this video and you stuck with me to the end, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace.